The Mercedes-Benz X-Class will launch in Australia carrying about a $15,000 premium over more workmanlike tributes such as the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, the German luxury car maker has announced. The initial 13-strong, all-diesel range will launch in April next year, featuring a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, a 1.1-ton load capacity and a 3.5-ton towing capacity. The entry-level, 6-speed-only rear-drive X250d cab chassis version will go on sale priced from $45,450. If you want Mercedes-Benz to supply a style side tray for the Nissan Navar-based German, the cheapest version is priced from $46,400 for the rear-drive 6-speed manual version, with optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive, which you'll need to engage, adding $4,000 to the cost. A V6 version arrives later in the year. The X250d Pure range aimed at classic robust use will use a 120 kW/403 Nm tune that outperforms both the entry-level Ford Ranger's 110 kW/375 Nm 2.2-liter engine and the Toyota Hilux's 110 kW/400 Nm 2.4-liter unit. However, the all-wheel drive X250 range will use an uncorked version of the 2.3-liter 4-pot that produces 140 kW/450 Nm, that outperforms Toyota's base 2.8 liters 130 kW/420 Nm, but not the 130 kW/450 Nm tune used for the range-topping SR, but falls short of the 3.2-liter 5-cylinder Ranger's 147 kW/470 Nm. The cheapest X250d Pure, equipped with a 6-speed manual gearbox and missing a tray on the back, will be priced from $51,450, with the 7-speed automatic transmission adding $2,900 to the price. Order your upper spec X-Class with a tray on the back, and it adds $950 to the cost. It's equipped like an entry-level tray dude, sitting on 17-inch steel wheels and with cheap black front and rear bumpers that help to cut down on the cost of running repairs. Buy it with the benz-sourced tub and you get a reversing camera, sit on black cloth seats, the floor is trimmed in plastic, and the audio system has only 2 speakers. But it gets a 7-inch touchscreen, halogen headlights, a tire pressure monitor, air conditioning and a lane-keeping assistant as standard. The X250d Progressive, priced from $53,950 for a cab chassis, meets what Mercedes-Benz says are higher requirements in terms of quality, feel and comfort. The 17-inch wheels swap to alloy, the bumpers become body-colored, and the windscreen adds heat insulation. The seats remain black cloth and manually adjusted, but the floor is covered in carpet instead of plastic. The audio system jumps to 8 speakers, wipers turn themselves on, leather lines the steering wheel and handbrake and gearshift boots, sat-nav is standard, the rear-view mirror automatically adjusts to reduce dazzle, and the door sills feature aluminium inserts.